How to install Windows 11. If you would like to install Windows 11, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open your browser. Just type in Windows 11 official Microsoft. The first link from Microsoft is the website that you want to go to. There are many ways on how you can install it. First, you can just do it via installation assistant. No matter on whichever Windows you are, you can download this. You can install it via a pen drive by creating an installation media, or you can also download the disk image for x64 devices. Now, the easier option if you don't have pen drive and so on, I would just recommend by using installation media. So click the download now button here. The Windows installation assistant will be downloaded on your device. Then you can simply choose to run it. Now, when you run it, it will ask you what kind of installation that you want to have. And in my case, I'm already running the latest version of Windows. But if you're learning the older version, then you'll be able to upgrade to those versions using this link. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.